In this oriental rock washing tub, the paddle wheel slowly rotates and provides the motion for the rock dip in the water. The color stabilizers and shampoos are added to the wash. The agitation process opens up the fiber and soil is released in the water. The wonderful part about this machine is that it mimics the hand washing technique. Therefore, it is perfect for the area rocks that cannot be handled by any abrasion. Did you ever imagine that fully soaked, huge oriental rock can dry very quickly? Well, this spin drainer makes it possible. Wet and huge oriental rocks will be transferred into the spinner. It will spin for about 4 minutes. While spinning, it will eliminate about 70 to 80% of the water. This equipment is a huge help for us to deliver your rock back to you in about 2 to 3 business days.